One.
Warm greetings to all of you. Myself, Aryan Arora, representing DI Model Senior Secondary School, is here to present our idea that provide a helping hand to save the lives of the precious people. In today's world, accidents are rapidly increasing, which leads to the supply in the demand of the blood. Presently, there is a huge gap between the demand and supply of blood. In every 2 seconds, someone in India needs blood. It is estimated that over 12,000 people in India die every day due to the lack in supply of blood. So to overcome this problem, we are here to represent our app BloodZ.
Hi, my name is Ankit Sharma. BloodZ is a platform that facilitates easy and quick access of blood and blood donors in emergency cases. If someone needs blood, then they will simply have to make a profile on our app which includes selection of location, name and blood type. And then as per their need, they have to select the following options. If a person wants to donate blood, then app will inquire their eligibility of blood donation, and then app will show the nearby hospitals where they can donate blood. The person is also located by blood banks and hospitals with their units available to them. Recipients only have to upload their doctor's prescription on the app and they can collect the blood from the location. If a person is unable to collect the blood from the location, then we also provide delivery services with manual charges.
Hi, I'm Manish Gupta. So as to conclude, BloodZ app helps to bridge the gap between those who require blood and those who want to donate it. It ensures the safety and reliability of the blood supply chain. Our future goal is to extend our services to facilitate organ donation. We shall strengthen our relation with hospitals so as to ensure reliable and trustworthy network of blood donation. In future, we shall also open our own blood centers for collection and donation of blood. We hope to get positive results from the judges. Please like and comment our video. Thank you.